Now question number 4. Answer each of the question in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Question number 1. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? स्टोरी में जो मार्गी और टॉमी है तो उनके मैकेनिकल टीचर और स्कूल रूम को डिस्क्राइब करना है. आंसर. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teacher. These teachers were basically large black screen on which the lessons were shown and questions were asked. ये मैकेनिकल टीचर्स की लार्ज ब्लैक स्क्रीन होती है जिसमें क्वेश्चंस शो किए लेसन्स शो किए जाते हैं और क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. These teachers were adjusted according to the age and potential of the student concerned. They had a slot in which the students had to put their homework and test paper. ये टीचर्स के एक स्लॉट होते हैं जिसमें चाइल्ड को अपना होमवर्क और टेस्ट पेपर सबमिट करना होता है. The mechanical teacher checked the child's progress by giving them test. मैकेनिकल टीचर चाइल्ड की प्रोग्रेस चेक करने के लिए उनको टेस्ट देता है. However, these teachers were prone to technical and mechanical failure and troubles. Means ये टीचर्स में कभी टेक्निकल और मैकेनिकल फेलियर भी हो सकते हैं. Their schools were in their homes itself. In fact, Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. Students did not have classmates. जब physical school नहीं होंगे तो classmates कहाँ से होंगे? They had regular days and hours for school. The mechanical teacher always turned on of the same time every day except Saturdays and Sundays. Saturday और Sunday को छोड़ के mechanical teacher हमेशा same time पे on हो जाता था. Question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Margie school को क्यों hate करती थी? So answer है उसके means उसके reason देना है. Margie hated school because it was not fun. She hated the large black screen and the way she had to insert the homework and test paper in the slot on the mechanical teacher. She disliked fact that she had to write her answer in a punch code. उसको punch code में answer लिखना नहीं अच्छा लगता था. Besides, her hatred for school was amplified by a failure to fare well in the geography test given by a mechanical teacher. और दूसरी वजह जो मार्गी को नहीं अच्छी लगती थी स्कूल पसंद करने की तो वो ये कि वो जियोग्राफी टेस्ट में हमेशा परफॉर्म बहुत वर्स्ट कर रही थी इसलिए उसको स्कूल नहीं पसंद था. वाई डिड शी थिंक द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल मस्ट हैव बीन फन. और वो ऐसा क्यों सोचती है कि पुराने स्कूल में ज़्यादा मज़ा आती थी. सो आंसर है मार्गी इमेजिन द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल with kids from the entire neighborhood coming together, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. She imagined that they would sit together in the classroom and go home together at the end of the day. They would learn the same things, could help one another with the homework. Also, the teachers were people making the learning process more interactive. और जो teachers भी थे वो human being थे और वो उससे learning process बहुत interactive बनता था. All these aspects made her believe that the old kind of school must have been fun. इसलिए मार्गी को लगने लगा कि जो पहले के स्कूल थे वो ज़्यादा मज़ेदार थे. Last question. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. मीन्स आप भी एग्री करते हो कि मार्गी के जो स्कूल्स थे और तो मार्गी के जो स्कूल्स थे और जो हमारे स्कूल है वो ज़्यादा उसमें ज़्यादा फन है एज कम्पेयर टू मार्गी स्कूल. सो अगर है तो उसके गिव रीजन देना है. आंसर. येस, आई एग्री दैट स्कूल्स टुडे आर मोर फन देन द स्कूल इन द स्टोरी. Studying and answering questions seems to be a boring idea without the presence of classmates. Means classmates नहीं होंगे तो questions को answer करना भी boring ही है. Writing homework in punch codes and that too without anybody's help would be draining. Children develop a better understanding about each other and their surroundings when they go to a school and interact with others. Means चिल्ड्रन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी वो डेवलप होती थी और वो अपने सराउंडिंग में किसी से भी इंटरेक्ट भी कर सकते थे. Human teachers are more understanding and accommodating than mechanical ones that are programmed to each in a specific way. The excitement in waiting for the marks scored in exams is greater when one is sitting in a classroom with fellow students. Means हम जब क्लासरूम में बैठे होते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट होता है हमारे लिए कि हमारे कितने मार्क्स स्कोर हुए होंगे. It does not have the same effect when marks are calculated immediately after a test has been taken. Means उसमें ज़्यादा हमें एक्साइटमेंट नहीं लगता जिसमें हमारे मार्क्स तुरंत ही कैलकुलेट हो जाए. Therefore, schools today are more fun than the school in the story as they are more interactive and promote a healthier way of learning. Means जो हमारे आज के schools है वो ज़्यादा interactive भी है और एक healthier way है learning का. Question 1. Find the sentence in the lesson which have the adverbs given in the box below. Adverbs जो दिए गए वो lesson में कहाँ पे आए हैं वो बताना. Awfully. Awfully means surprisingly. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. Second, sorrowfully. Sorrowfully means unhappy. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Third, completely. Completely, you know its meaning. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Fourth one, loftily. Loftily means in a superior way, अच्छे ढंग से. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. Fifth, carefully. Carefully भी आपको पता होगा मीनिंग, और यही जो फोर्थ में सेंटेंस हमने यूज किया वो फिफ्थ वाले के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. Sixth one, differently. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches that each kid has to be taught differently. Quickly. I didn't say I didn't like it. Maggie said quickly. Nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means interest नहीं दिखाना. So statement क्या होगा? Maybe he said nonchalantly. Question number 2. Now use these adverbs to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. First one. The report must be read carefully. मतलब रिपोर्ट कैसे रीड करनी चाहिए? केयरफुली. सेकेंड, समी ने कैसे क्वेश्चन को आंसर किया? लॉफ्टीली. थर्ड, जब हम भूख हंग्री होते हैं तो हम कैसे बिहेव करते हैं? डिफरेंटली. फोर्थ, जब रवि ने झूठ बोला तो टीचर को कैसा लगा? अनहैप्पी मीन्स सॉरोफुली. फिफ्थ, मैं उसके बारे में कम्प्लीटली भूल चुकी हूँ. सिक्स्थ, जब रेवाती को मैंने उसके सक्सेस के पीछे कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया तो उसने अनइंटरेस्टेडली स्माइल किया मीन्स नॉनचैलेंटली. सेवेंथ, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कंपनी, जो प्रेसिडेंट है कंपनी का, वो सरप्राइजिंगली बिजी हो गया मीन्स एकदम से बिजी हो गया वो. आई फिनिश माई वर्क क्विकली. मैंने अपना वर्क जल्दी से खत्म कर दिया. क्विकली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. मेक एडवर्ब्स फ्रॉम दिस एडजेक्टिव्स. एडजेक्टिव से एडवर्ब बनाने हैं. सो फर्स्ट, एंग्री. एक कंडीशन होती है जब लास्ट में वाई होता है तो हमें अगर कोई भी एडजेक्टिव को एडवर्ब में कन्वर्ट करना है और उसके आगे वाई हो तो ILY लग जाता है तो वो एडवर्ब बन जाता है. सो फॉर सपोज एंग्री तो एंग्रीली. सेकेंड, हैप्पी हैप्पीली. थर्ड, मैरी मैरीली. फोर्थ, स्लीपी स्लीपीली. फिफ्थ, इजी इजीली. सिक्स्थ, नॉइजी नॉइजीली. सेवेंथ, टाइडी टाइडीली. एट्थ,